Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to return Zalando item. To open an account, you can either use Zalando's official application or you can also use Zalando website. For this video, I will be going for the website. Now open your preferred browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.zalando.com. Before entering, make sure you choose the location that you are currently staying in. Now make sure you are already logged in to your Zalando account. At the home page at the top right, you can see the profile icon. You have to simply tap over there. At the top, you can see the option return an item. Tap over there. Here you can see that I have no selected items. First, you need to select the items that you want to return. After selecting the products, you can tap on Create Return. Then your return will be created and you will be asked to select a reason for your return. Next, you need to prepare your package and drop it off to the drop-off center. After that, you will be able to return a Zalando item. Once the item successfully reaches at the Zalando drop point, then you will get a refund of your return item. This is how you can return your Zalando item. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.